The imagination train stops and the doors slide open to reveal a magical meadow. The brave kid steps out confidently, their bright red t-shirt vibrant against the lush greenery. The shy kid follows cautiously in her glowing yellow dress, her eyes wide as she takes in the giant trees, colorful flowers, and a sky shimmering like a painting. "Look at that flower," the brave kid exclaims, pointing to a massive bloom nearby. The shy kid hesitates, staying a step behind, but the brave kid takes her hand with a warm smile. Together, they step deeper into the magical meadow, curiosity leading the way. Soon, they discover a giant caterpillar resting on a leaf, its big, gentle eyes watching them curiously. "Hi, big guy," the brave kid greets with excitement. The shy kid peeks out from behind a flower, mustering the courage to wave shyly. The caterpillar blinks, then wiggles happily in response. The shy kid smiles back, feeling a little braver. The three explore the meadow together, laughter echoing as the brave kid pretends to be a superhero. The shy kid claps and giggles, her nervousness fading. By a shimmering pond, surrounded by colorful blooms, they stop to make wishes, one loud, one quiet. Later, they bounce on a giant mushroom, the brave kid showing off playful flips while the shy kid laughs along. Even the caterpillar joins in, bouncing and wiggling with delight. As the sun sets, they sit on the soft grass, gazing at the magical landscape. "This place is like a dream," the brave kid marvels. The shy kid nods, smiling. "It's perfect." The caterpillar hums contentedly beside them. When the brave kid jumps up, shouting, "Let's explore more!" the shy kid stands with newfound confidence. The caterpillar wiggles along, and together they venture deeper into the meadow, their laughter blending with the magical sounds around them.